my toilet. That's it. I'm moving out.
Dorkin Pest Control. It's Dudley. How can I help?
Dudley, I have rats again. There's a rat in my toilet.
Oof, that's not good. Who is this?
It's Linda, Dudley. You supposedly rat-proofed my house last month?
Oh, yeah, I know you. Have you tried flushing it?
Flushing it down the toilet? I'm not flushing a rat down the toilet.
Yeah, I know. Have you tried, grabbing a plunger and, boop it?
Boop it? Are you serious?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? How about, tongs?
Tongs? I am not making rat stew.
Sounds like rats are in your plumbing.
Dudley, what do we do?
I don't know. Have you tried calling a plumber?
Dudley, did you leave your cigarette in the supply room again?
This revolutionary rodent base station, the Sewer Assassin, is exploding onto the pest control scene as it allows you, as a pest professional, to prove, monitor, and control rodents coming into your customers' homes or businesses through plumbing. It happens way more often than you think. You no longer have to say, "We think you need to call a plumber." Each unit turns any 3 or 4 inch plumbing cleanout into a working base station, not only fixing the problem, but also generating new, reoccurring revenue for your pest control business. Outshine all the Dudleys out there. Become a trained sewer assassin today on sewerassassin.com.